Hello everyone. So basically I have made a bot on POE.com. So it is about you giving the video summary or script to it. Then it will give you a video title, give you a description and hashtags for the YouTube video. And also it will create a thumbnail prompts for you to put into the image bots or the pixels. So basically to use this, you have to go to POE.com. Then you click on explore. Then you'll search for viral-video-wizard. So you click on this, and then you try to upload the script or give a summary of your video. So I have a script here. It's a meme coin analysis video. So you just press enter, then it'll generate for you. So you just copy this title, and then you can copy this, and you can copy and paste into it, and then you can add more emojis, or you can just do it like this. And boom, you'll have the title, you'll have the description for the video. You don't have to type it yourself. And then you also have the timestamps. You have the call to action. You have the hashtags for the audience, the users to find your video. And then you have the thumbnail prompt as well. So I don't advise you to have the text in the thumbnail. You can add this later by an image editor, because in the image AI bots as of this date, they can't really generate the text that well. So just for explanatory purpose, we'll try to add the text as well to see if it can do well. Sometimes it can and sometimes it can't. So we'll highlight this. Wait a second. And then we'll go to any image generator. I have pixels. So generate. And I'm not affiliated with pixels, just to be clear. So you wait for the creation of the thumbnail. So the script was basically the subtitles that were generated in Loom, and I upload the subtitles to the bots. Then it can generate the titles and descriptions and hashtags and the thumbnail prompt for me. So I think this is a decent thumbnail. So we'll just download it, and then we can upload it to the video later. So that's all for these viral video YouTube bots. And I think I'll make some small adjustments to it to be able to generate the content better. So thanks for listening.